Alrighty, I'm back, guys, and I kind of did a big thing that kind of screwed me over, but what I kind of did was I kind of cracked this, but that's okay because this Westinghouse is actually kind of broken anyway. It's actually not really working that well, and it was never up for sale, so Fantom Wildcat, this is not the one that's 100% broke that I was selling you. And this is the one that's like broken that I was talking to you about. Anyway, you now unscrew these four somewhat big screws. Okay, that's one screw. And by the way, my fingernails aren't having problems with my thumb because that's actually tape. And from what I actually remember, I didn't crack the Westinghouse. I believe it kind of did this crack. I didn't crack that. I believe it fell on its side or fell down the stairs or something. And that's how it happened. So don't call me a guy that's killing vacuums. Just, you know. Okay, so that should have been, and has, I think, the French name, et voila. I think, kind of. I remember that you pretty much just take this screw out, right here, and I believe the whole thing should just, and this screw as well, on the top should come off, but to be truly honest, I don't want to do that because, well, actually, I'll do it. I actually didn't want to do it because of the fact that I didn't want to make this video any longer than it has to be, but this is what the video is supposed to be about, and, you know. And these screws are pretty long, so don't be surprised if you're taking them out for like a few seconds or minutes or whatever. Okay. And as you can see though, it's a pretty nice vacuum cleaner, and for what it's worth, it's actually not bad. But if you actually paid the $300 for the Westinghouse, like I believe a lot of people did, and then this should come off somehow. I don't really remember how this happened, but give me a second, guys. It came out somehow, I just really don't remember how. Oh, you also have to remove, I believe, this screw as well. Door. Derp. It's like I feel it's starting to come out, but the cable tension, or the tension from the cable, are actually immobilizing it. And there you have it. That's the motor. And that's as much as I want to open it because I don't want to crack the things. And my camera's almost dying again. So this is a little motor. This is a cogged V-belt, which I'm not sure how big that looks. It's pretty nice looking, I guess, and it's in good shape. So anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll make a reassembly video one day. But that's in due time, because I actually have to go right now. So anyway guys, comment, rate, and subscribe.